Naka, no be mada joka, que modiziche, ajuju onyeka na juo.
Mama, I did not do anything, Mama. Mama. Mama.
Hey, don't come close to me. Start talking.
True to God, I did not take the money.
Hey! So me too, I'm the thief now. I am the thief. You dare
Mama,
call
it's
me
not what I said.
Mama,
Mita!
You are a thief. You are the thief in this house.
Mama, it's not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that you should please ask Angolika or Choma. I don't know if maybe they...
Hey, Isigini!
So my children are the
What did you say? Out me! You didn't call my name! You didn't call my name! Are you stupid? Are you mad?
It's like you don't have respect again. You don't have fear. So are you not the only thief you have in this house?
Please don't call me a thief.
Oh, you are a thief! You are a thief! You are a thief!
You will come back.
You're a bad, you're an evil child. Yet you're a thief.
I
said don't worry, leave her. You will come back. She must come back.
I'm not being unfair.
You will still come back and collect.
In fact, I blame you too. When you should have killed her.
Eh?
No, woman.
Mama, no, now. I'm just respecting you. Mama, I'm just respecting you.
Don't respect me. Kill her.
Eh. Don't worry, she will come back. She will come back. I'm waiting for her now. Yeah.
She seated under the tree, all alone. She seemed to be crying. What could be wrong with this innocent girl?
Yeah, you look thick.
Thank you, welcome! Beer gang!
Hello, man.
I'm surprised. This one, both of you came unannounced. Hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine. We just wanted to surprise you.
Oh, yes.
Surprise me?
Yeah.
Then give me a good hug.
Man, bro, did you see what I'm seeing? I mean,
She has been eating our mother's money. Look at her.
Your money,
She has been consuming our father's money.
Yes!
Look at you.
I love it.
Which man is responsible for this? Hey! Udoka, how you doing? I'm fine, sir. Mom, you're really taking care of him. He's looking fresh, unlike the last time I saw him.
That was when he came near.
Oh, yeah, that's true, that's true. Udoka, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yeah. Udoka, please get our luggage inside. Okay. All right? All right, sir. I'll see you later.
Look at my brothers! Beer gang!
Which man is responsible for this thickness?
Soon I'll bring him home. Hey!
Mommy, she's becoming full auction.
Look at my brothers. They are doing great. Yeah. Proud of you both.
We've been hustling, girl. We've been hustling.
What did you give her this morning?
Her favorite.
More because I'm hungry.
Listen there. You look good. You look good.
So proud of you.
Mom, you look good.
Good. Your hand work.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Shimo, 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 okwa ngogbenye na kpogio. Gbatara ya senye maka, nobi mada joka.
Is everything all right? Why are you crying? Why? What's wrong? Yesterday I took this route, I saw you here, same spot. You were crying. And now today, you're still at the same spot, crying. Why are you crying? What is it? I can be of help.
I don't want to talk about it.
Please. I need you to talk about it. I can help you. What bothers you?
I don't want to bother you with my problems.
My name is Lotana Edward. What's your name?
Oledu.
Fine name. Are you from this village?
Yes.
Who is your father?
Little Denna.
Oh, sorry about that. How about your mother?
She's dead too.
Wow. 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 So sorry. I see you're heading to the stream. Can I take you there? Please, let me help you.
Thank you.
At least you can tell me where I can find you.
Gbasara
I can just help you to the stream.
maka n'obi
Oledo.
mmadụ ajọka.
Oledo.
Nke m ọ dịzi iche. Ajụjụ onye ka na-ajụ.
I did not see how. Eh?
She has started again. This time, our mother will put pepper inside her eyes.
Ma, we have not seen her.
Was it this one? What is all this nonsense about?
Eh? Mama, here she comes.
Agaracha must come back. Agaracha must come back. Eh? Now you, Madam Chugo. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Wogi. Where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to return the jerry can I used to fetch water.
Ose?
What happened to our jerry can?
Can't you answer Choma's question again?
I stumbled on something and the jerry can fell down and broke.
Hey!
My own jerry can. Stumbler. My hard-earned money.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Jerry can go okay go.
The only jerry can we have in this
Don't
house.
worry. You know you don't have to pay.
Hey!
Stumbler. Pay me. Stumbler. Pay me.
You know the jerry can we have.
Nothing
She will run. That is what I know. She will run. Mama, you should have allowed me to handle her this time. Huh?
It's woman. Were you not here? Here, I'm going to put a coin and how much will not run again.
Mama, that girl has single
I don't
bone.
even understand what you're big for nothing. Are you not taller than her?
Mama, she has single bone.
Open.
Yes, Mama.
And you have double. Single and double, which one is stronger?
Mama, the kubo, Mama.
If it's one big lump of meat now, two of you will eat it in one swoop.
Eh, but she will still come back now.
Every time I sit down,
Why do
What is this? Why is she always running every time she sets eyes on me? Why? I mean, why does she always run? Oh, wait. And I'll find out. Babe.
Baby, I'm so sorry. Okay? I kept you waiting.
I told you not to bother yourself about the drink.
Oh, but you're my guest. Yeah, and courtesy demands that I should offer you cola. So this is for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
If you insist.
Of course I do.
So,
So baby, should I go and dress up?
Dress up for what?
To go and see your mom. Remember?
Oh, yeah, that's true, but I'm afraid that won't happen today. My mother's not going to be around, so I guess we should just reschedule. What do you think?
Okay, that's fine. Anything, baby.
Yeah. That reminds me, where's your mother?
Yeah, she stepped out.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just all alone.
Yeah. I know, yeah.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Nothing. Continue. Madam Chu. Anana bebo na atani. Madam Chu. Madam. Why haven't you cooked?
Mom, I'm not feeling too well.
Chimo. You're not feeling too well. Is that the reason you have refused to cook? Sickness or naka konoku. So who will cook the one you will eat? Because I know you will not die in the sickness. Since you're not feeling fine, I can put her go check.
Mama,
put her in bed.
I've been the one cooking in this house now. Mama.
Get me right to talk when I'm talking. Listen, before I close these eyes and open it, you have run to that kitchen now and start cooking. We're also gonna. You're not feeling fine. I'm not feeling fine. You're being the one cooking. And this one you not cook. 5 minutes. Let that food not be ready. Whatever.
The world of the poor, the world of loneliness, intimidation, molestation, chukwi no kwaya. Chimo, okwa nwobenye na kpobio.
Oledo! Wait! Oledo! Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. What happened? I saw the young girl run away while I was coming.
Yes, why she always running?
Each time I pass here, I always see her cry here. I try consoling her because I feel her pains too.
The question here is, why is she always here crying? And each time one tries to help her, she runs.
Yes. Since she lost her parents, she comes here to cry. Yes. The worst part is her stepmother treats her so bad. So I feel her pains as well.
Do you know where she lives?
Yeah, of course I do.
Can you take me there, please?
Oh no, that won't be possible now. As you can see, I'm just coming back from the farm. Let's you just give me a little time to drop this cassava, so I'll come show you.
Okay. I'll wait. I'm just by my car here. I'll wait.
It's fine. Let me just drop this out.
All right, please. Yeah. Easy. I'll just wait here.
Okay.
Easy.
All right.
Where were you?
Mama, I'm telling you, Mama, I did not do it.
Me, Mama?
Don't run. Stay here. Just stay here. Stay here.
You opened your mouth to call me Mama? Your mother is in her grave paying for her evil, her wickedness. That is why you should call Mama, not me. Not me. I'm not your mother. I'm not your mother. Why do you steal my money?
I did not. Even God knows I'm
a liar.
Mama, you stole it. I told her I don't
This one again, what is it?
Mama, you killed me. Mama, don't push her.
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
What is that? What is it?
Please.
She's a thief.
I've been looking everywhere.
Why? Why are you looking everywhere for me, Kedio?
I want to see you again.
For what?
He was bringing me to you.
Hey!
For what?
I have always known it. She stole from you, right? You know she stole my money this morning. I returned it back to my room to pretend as if she doesn't know anything that happened to the money.
Mama,
She did not. She did not.
Open your mouth and talk to me again. I'll slap you.
She didn't steal anything from me.
So why are you looking for her?
I presume you are her stepmother.
Yes, I'm her stepmother. Who are you?
My name is Lotana, son of late Chief Edward from Amude.
So why are you looking for her? This girl.
Mama,
let me take my own pound of flesh.
Please.
She stole my money and returned it.
Even God knows I am not a thief.
Oh, God. Who has seen God? Have you seen God before?
Please.
When people lie, they call God God. Anybody that's calling God God is a thief.
Mama, you are accusing me wrongly.
Please. I'll take care of it. Please.
Just arrest her.
I will.
The best thing, arrest her.
I will. Can I just have a word with her, please?
Go and arrest her. I say what? I'm not sure what. Look at the police. Police know how to handle thieves.
Okay.
You must go behind bar. When you run and they know you share.
What can I do, Ganyao?
Okay, you may boom wow. Get away! I won't ask for your opinions. No, I know that. I know she must have done something to him. And he's arresting her. I know.
I pray so. She just take her away.
Get away! I will stand on your two legs.
It's okay, Mom. Just a few minutes, we'll be right back. She'll bring me to your house. We can talk about this.
Just take her to the police.
I'll bring her to the house. It's okay, I'll bring her to the house, okay?
Which house? Just take her to the police and save me all the stress.
All right. Thank you.
Why is she at the back?
That's where she wants to be. Thank you.
Go down here. Go down here.
Wait, have we met before?
Yes, Ma.
Remind me.
Ma, you remember the day your car broke down? I was the lady that helped you.
Oh, I now remember. How are you?
I'm fine, Ma.
Wait a minute. You two know each other?
Yes.
What a coincidence.
Hi. This girl is very, very industrious. You see the effort she made the day my car broke down on the road. She's a very hardworking girl.
Mother, based on what I told you, her stepmother has been maltreating her since the demise of her parents. I need you to take her in. Treat her like your own. Maybe she can be one of our maid.
There is no problem. She's a very good wife material.
Thank you.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Mom.
Someone that fateful day I was driving past, I saw her on the...
Yeah, welcome to my home. Yeah. Mom, meet my fiancée, Tina. Tina, my mom.
Good day, ma.
Yes, my daughter. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oledo. What are you doing here?
Auntie Tina.
Oledo.
Wait. What is going on here? You two know each other? Do you know her?
Yes.
What is going on here? My mother seemed to have met you. My brother and his girlfriend. You seem to be famous. Who are you?
Where have you been?
Excuse me, what is going on here?
Mother, I know her back in the city. It's just that we lost contact.
Oh.
here. Check the gun. Go. See, guy, calm down now. We are not serious. Start checking this bag. Let's go to my place immediately. My friend, take this bag now. What did happen now? Check this bag. You do like that. Take that bag. You don't start. See, hey.
Guys, listen. I want that bag now. Else, I swear to God, I will break your head with this thing.
I will come.
Really?
I swear to God, if you're near here, I will break your head. I will kill you.
For the last time, you don't know me. Let me have that bag.
Who you be? See, if not this bag, if you think you have this bag, don't lose.
You want me to try, Abi?
Try it. Come now, put up what you want to
try, Abi. Try it. Did you see that girl? Where did she go to? You get that girl they rob here, you see her?
That's everything I have in my life. How would they believe that bag was stolen from me? They will not believe me. How do I survive? Biko Kwenu. Chineke, can you hear me?
I have been looking for you. I got your bag. I think everything inside is intact.
Jesus, what happened to your hand?
It's just a scratch, but I'll be fine.
Hi, they did this to you because of me. I'm so sorry, God.
Okay, it's really nothing anyway. I'll be fine.
Okay, let me just help you treat it. Oh?
No, you don't have to, okay?
Oh, you're bleeding. Just wait, let me look for. Let me use this so we can stop the bleeding. Hey. Sorry.
It's very painful.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. I'm so sorry they did this to you because of me. I'm sorry. God, I don't know what I would have done without this bag. I don't even know. 150 kobo. Piam, I don't have. Hey, God, thank you. Thank you.
Thank God we brought the bag back.
Yes, I don't know how I would have survived. I was going to the market to buy something. All these hoodlums now snatched my bag. I'm sorry for the injury. Sorry.
I'll be fine. I'll just
Hot rice, sweet hot rice. 200 okay? Yes. Sweet hot rice. Odioku. Rice ole de rute go kwa o askwana na agwaro gi oga ha agwu atakwa na aka n'ọnụ ọ dịkwa ọkụ. Don't say had I know. Okay, you say your.
But I beg, give me food.
Okay.
You're hungry, yeah.
Oledo. Chineke,
how are you?
Oh, thank God, your hand has healed.
Yes, is this where you stay?
This is my enterprise. Yes, this is my shop.
The aroma is something else. So.
I cook well.
How much do you sell your food?
Give me your flask. Okay.
What is this now? This man has sell food for me now. You should be. I don't understand.
I will sell food for you now.
No, you can't tell me.
Bro, sorry.
Okay, see, because of him, I'll give you 100 naira rice free.
I said give me rice 200 naira. Which one be 100 naira rice?
Okay, you can't be poor and angry now. It's too much load.
But now you are insulting me. You are insulting me.
Sorry, she will attend to you, eh?
I said I will attend to you.
Olede, it's really good to see you again.
Same here, Ona. It's good to see you. Hey, where is your cover? I'm almost done, oh. Sweet rice, sweet rice. How come I can regret?
So, how much is this?
Ibiakwa, what do you mean by how much? Please go and eat your food. And whenever you need food, come here, I'll give you free food. The only problem, man, I rush. My rice.
Madam, you know me rice 200 naira. I'm
coming.
Where do they marry the Yanka?
Hey, I said I'm sorry. So as I was telling you, my rice now, say so because it's usually very sweet and the best.
I can see, even the aroma speaks for itself.
I cook well. I cook 100 naira.
But I'm not just 200 naira. Just 100 naira.
Sorry.
Ola, thank you so much. I'll see you.
All right, take care. Oh, right. God bless you. Oh, hey. Oh. Bye.
Hey.
I say I will.
But you went when I'm already.
Okay, see, Oporoko, can't you go? Don't pay for it. Don't pay for it. I'm that nice. You know you can't get this kind of delicious food there. So I'm amazing when the water.
Because you come
make it happy. Rice, hot rice, hot rice, hot rice. Okay, still there. Oh, now him. Hot rice. What's up now? Okay, the real. Sweet rice. Okay, the uncle. My brother rice. White rice and stew, beans, plantain, everything. It's hot. All the hot. Oh, yeah, you don't want chop rice today. Sweet rice. That's what I can regret. Ask for them all who go. Like 10 plates. Fresh rice, only the rice. If you don't get it, forget about it. I lost my parents to a ghastly motor accident. The car went up in flame immediately.
Oh my God. They were burnt? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. One of my uncles brought me to the city. So I decided to start this Mama Pit business. So I can save some money and forge ahead with life.
It is well. It pains me so much that such a tragedy should befall a beautiful and innocent girl like you. I don't know how to say this, but I can't hide my feelings anymore. I am helplessly in love with you. I know things are not exactly what I want them to be now, but I promise you that if things get better, I would love to marry you. Although you are my ideal woman, and I adore you. Please. Please just love me back the way I love you.
Why are you so fast?
No. It's love. It's love. Okay? Please tell me you have accepted. I will not break your heart. I won't disappoint you.
Madam. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Madam, how are you? Let me see.
I beg, don't give me food, though. Hungry won't cut my belly into soup.
Sister, sorry.
I'm okay here. I'm my delicious. I'm going to eat and sleep.
I'll put her for you as you say you're hungry.
I just want to be that person. I think I look just like on here.
Oledo, where are you? This is the second time I am coming to your place and you're not here. Does it mean she no longer stays there? I have lost my phone and there's no way of reaching you. Maybe I'll check back tomorrow. I'll check back tomorrow. I will find you. I will find you, Oledo. Sorry for bothering you. I think I recognize your face from Oledo's spot.
Yes.
Please, I have been looking for her. Do you know where she stays now?
Any problem?
Yes, I have some things with her. I have been to her place several times, but she's not there. Please, do you know where she stays now?
She is no longer in this city.
Huh?
Yes.
What happened?
I heard that she has a problem with her uncle's wife. So, and the woman treated her out of their house. So, she has gone back to her village.
She has gone back to her village?
Yes. I think I will be on my way now.
Thank you. This is all my fault. What do I do now? I am so happy to see you again after all these years. Mother, she was everything to me. We were so in love, it was so real. In fact, she is the woman I want to marry.
Are you out of your mind? Are you alright?
But wait, Afunwa, hold on. Did you actually bring me here to insult me?
No, Tina, I'm very sorry. Look, I will explain to you.
Explain what? Explain what to me? No, you should have just told me that you brought me here to insult me in presence of your family.
Tina, it's not like that. Hold on.
Don't, Tina.
I will explain. Hold on.
You see, are you out of your mind? Hey! You're still moving. Are you out of your mind?
Please, I have to.
No. Come back first.
What's your problem? What's your wait? What's your problem? Wait. Are you alright? You brought your fiancée home to introduce someone, and the next thing you see a girl that I brought home, all of a sudden you want to marry her. Is everything wrong with you?
Brother, you don't understand. I knew Oledo before Tina. We were so in love. It's just that I lost her contact back in the city.
Good. You lost her contact back in the city. Lose everything that you have about Oledo. I brought her here as a housemaid. A housemaid she will be.
No.
Meet Tina, my secondary school mother.
Yes.
Hey, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
How are you? I'm fine. So I was coming to the house to look at all the things she bought for me. Telling you.
All these things?
Yes.
Oh, they are beautiful. Wait,
yes,
all of this for you?
Yes.
Oh, Tina.
Once a daughter is always a daughter.
Yes.
My daughter.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Bless you too.
She has always been this good to me.
Really?
She has always been this good. It's your mad. And the most important thing, Diego.
I can see that.
Sometimes you might want to give somebody, but take her the Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
God
you
bless
so much.
you.
If I don't do it for you, who else?
You're my girl now. For life.
Oh, thank you. God bless you. In fact, let's start going to my house.
Let's go.
Tell my father.
Let's go. The father is my uncle.
Oh, okay. No. What is going on? Am I dreaming or something? No. Tina, somebody should wake me up. Somebody should just wake me up. Afunwa, I will never allow you to useless my life just like that. No, it's not going to be possible. It's not going to be possible. I will not let that happen. Why is he calling me now? Why is he calling me? I'll not pick the call. That is very angry. Call and get tired.
Mom, there's a limit to nonsense that I will take. I've been keeping quiet because of the respect I have for you. Warn your son. Warn this boy to have respect for his elders. There's a reason I've been keeping quiet. The respect I have for you. Warn this boy. Warn him to stay away from Olido. I brought Olido to this house.
That's not even the issue. Olido and I have been in love before I lost our contact.
Mom, but you got this boy, you know, I'm going to break your neck.
You can do nothing.
I will do nothing.
Hey!
Lutana, don't tell me that he has no right over her. That girl is my first love.
You shut up your mouth. Just say that first love again. Let me hear all of you from your mouth again. Look at this stupid boy.
You are the one who is stupid. Look at you. You brought the girl here to serve as a house girl. Then all of a sudden, you turned around and claimed she's your lover. How stupid.
Oh, it's okay. Enough! Enough of this nonsense. What is your problem? Eh? Both of you told me that you are bringing your fiancée to introduce her to us. So what happened now?
Mother, is that the issue now?
That is the issue. Both of you should stay away from that girl. Stay away from her. Bring your fiancée. You bring your fiancée, the one you told us about. Introduce her to your mother.
Yes, mother. I'm in support of what you just said.
Mom, I beg to disagree. That is not going to be possible. Olido is my first love.
If you open this stupid mouth of yours to call her your love,
it is enough. Stay away from that man. You
Olido or nothing. Olido is for me. My people for this war. I will break your neck. Mom.
Both of you should stay away from that girl.
That's what you have to say.
Stay away from her.
That's what you have to say.
Yes.
That's what you have to say.
Bring your fiancé to me. You have a fiancé.
Okay.
Papa, Mama, why did you leave me alone in this wicked world to suffer? I'm going through a lot. I don't have anyone that will fight my battles. I'm just confused. I don't know what to do. Oh God.
Please don't run.
Please. I can explain. Please.
I do not need your explanation. Please, leave me alone.
I can't leave you alone. Please, you have to hear me out.
No. What do you want to say to me? You lied to me. Yes, you did. The same day you took me to your house was the same day you were supposed to introduce your fiancé to your family.
And that is because I figured out she wasn't meant for me.
Hey.
Please, I I fell in love with you the very moment I said eyes on you. She's not meant for me. You are.
Love is not enough. I've been through a lot already. Allow me to face my challenges without adding yours. I cannot do this thing with you.
I want to stand by you. Together we can conquer these challenges. I love you. Aledo, please. You just have to. We can do this. We can do this together. We can. Aledo, please, you have to stop running. I can help you. Please. Please. We can do this together.
Nke mo disiche Mwa beru wando Akwa mwa nebe Nke mo disiche Ajojo wabwe na jo
Oledi, when did you come? You didn't even tell me.
It's not been long.
You're not looking bright at all. What is it?
He came and I ran. What is funny? Why are you laughing?
Oh, okay, sorry. Must you run? Why did you have to run?
Chombi, must you run? Sometimes I think you're mocking me. Why would you ask such question? Of course you should know why I'm running.
Okay, I am sorry. I'm not laughing at you.
You are.
Hi. What is it?
What is wrong with this boy?
Is he the one? He's very cute.
Hi, Oledo.
Why are you following me everywhere? Please go. Stop following me. Stop. Please.
Oledo, calm down.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
My name is Lotana, son of late Edward Amude.
Edward? Oh, Edward.
Yes.
I've been hearing of your father, even though I never met him. So, what brings you to my house?
Ebere, I have to go now. No, Oledo.
Oledo.
Why is she in such terrible haste?
Oledo, come back.
So, I am her uncle. But please come, let's sit down. We can talk. Come on, sit. Sit down. Sit, please. Is there any problem? Is there anything I can help you do?
Afumwa, are you saying Lotana is seeing someone else?
He's not just seeing someone else. He wants to marry her. That is the reason he did not come to pick you up yesterday.
I don't understand. Lotana wants to marry her? Who is she? Who is she?
You don't know her. That's one local village girl.
Wait. Lotana wants to leave me for a local village girl? No problem. I have to be on my way. There is no need waiting for him.
Wait. Meaning you have accepted defeat? No, now. Come on. Look, I gave you this information so that you sit up and take action. Where's your love for Lotana? Are you going to sit and allow a local village girl enjoy the fruits of your labor? Oh, now.
Oh my God.
You're smarter than this.
Afuma, why? Why is Lotana doing this to me? Why? Do I deserve this?
No, you don't. Absolutely.
Do I deserve this?
You don't.
Why?
Look, he won't. That's why I want you to take action, eh? Come, he will soon be back. Let's go inside and wait for him, eh? Come, it's okay. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry. Let's go inside. It's going to be fine. Let's go. Where is this girl? Local village girl.
Finally. And as for you, Afunwa, you haven't heard the last of me yet.
Why do you want to go? I thought you've decided to wait for him.
I've waited long enough. I don't think I can wait anymore.
Why?
Nothing, Mama. I have to leave now.
No, you have to wait for him. He will soon be back. I'm sure of that.
No, Mama. Thank you so much for your hospitality, but I have to leave now.
Why this sudden change of mind? I'm sure he's the one at the gate.
Mother.
Welcome back, son.
All right. How are you?
I'm fine. She has been waiting for you. She was even about going out before you drove in.
Hi.
I've been told the reason you didn't come to pick me up yesterday. Lutana, what have I done to you? I've been loyal to you all this while. What is the problem? What have I done to you? Lutana, what? Tell me, why are you doing this to me? Do I deserve this?
Please calm down. Let us go inside. We can sort it out. Whatever you had. I don't just know, but we can sort it out, okay?
Mama, there is nothing to sort out. Nothing. I feel so betrayed. I feel cheated. I feel embarrassed. All because of you. Lutanda, after all my love, everything, you stand here to do this to me. It's okay. It's fine. I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nene, come back. Come back. Nene, come back.
Where is Afunwa? Where is he? What did you say to Chiduta?
What kind of nonsense question is that?
I will not ask you again.
Please step out of my way.
What? What did you tell Chiduta? What did you tell her?
Get your filthy hands off me now!
Why has both of you become cat and dog because of a woman? Eh? Why?
Ask this stupid boy what he told Chiduta. What did you tell her?
Get your hands off me before I will do something nasty and unbelievable!
Oh! After what you've done, after telling Chiduta what I don't even know, you talk of unbelievable. I'll tell you what's unbelievable is.
Wait for me!
Listen, let me tell you!
Wait for me!
I am not afraid of anybody, be you who? What does it think he is? Well, mother, you must know I told you the simple truth. And I don't owe anybody any apology for that. Nonsense.
Abuwa! What has come over you? What is wrong with you? Eh? Hey!
Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
He went out.
Where is he? Where is he?
Nkemo disiche Mwaberu wando.
What are you doing here?
I came for us to talk.
Talk? I'm sorry. There is nothing for us to talk about. Everything we need to talk about has been said by your brother.
Listen, you have to disregard anything my brother tells you.
Luther, is that all you have to say?
Yes.
Anyway, I don't have anything to say to you. But one thing I will tell you is, don't worry, I will get that girl. You see that girl? When I get her and I'm done with her, you will hear from me. When you're done, you can leave the house.
Are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that? Are you talking to me like that?
Leave him for what? Leave him! Can't you see he's holding me, people? Can't you see he's holding
Leave
me?
the stupid boy! Leave the stupid boy! You! You!
Lutana, I don't like what you both are doing. Stop it!
Is it not Lutana? Huh?
Lutana, we can settle this without anybody being hurt. Please! Please! What you? Huh? Are both of you mad? Why are you fighting over a woman? You are fighting yourselves because of a woman.
But I not Lutana. He has started again.
Tell your stupid son to stay away from my business.
Me stupid! You are a fool!
What?
You are a fool!
What can you do?
Hey!
Come
You
here.
can...
Do anything.
Hey, Lutana! He's out! Hey! Stop him!
He's a fool!
What is wrong with him?
He's a fool!
You call me a fool.
Yes!
How dare you call your elder brother a fool before me?
We shall see.
You have to withdraw that statement now, or you regret me.
There is nothing to withdraw. You call me a fool. You!
Mother, you want me to withdraw this statement?
Yes! You have to
sorry!
What is wrong with you? Don't you know he is your elder brother? Huh? I have kept quiet in this house for a long time for both of you to settle your differences by yourself. It's okay. I know what to do.
Mama, I don't care the measure you want to take. As for me, I am not ready to leave a letter for anybody in this house.
What? What is your problem? That sets him right. What is your problem? So you have no respect for me. I may make all them man. You know, method.
Thank you for this land. Thank you! But it won't stop me. All of you in this house will see. It won't stop me.
Abuwa!
Yeah, you will see.
Abuwa! Hey! Because of a woman. Hey! Hey! This boy is crazy. He is mad.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this brother against brother? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could we are fighting one man, not what could this be?
Oledo. Oledo. Why are you leeching to your place? Oledo, I'm talking to you.
just?
What did you just? What did you just?
You just slapped me!
I will slap you! Over again! Your mother will not give me food! You will not allow me to drink my garri in peace! No, make it jump with us! You dare lay your filthy hands on my daughter! Mama, your daughter fought! Mama, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Catch her! Catch her and bring her! I will defend you, I'm your daughter! I'm your mother! Come back here! Where are you running to? Why did you come here? Mama, I need to finish that is getting to me! Mama, my face, my body! I will kill you in this house! Come back, you will come back and meet me! Why did you come here? If I was coming, you were not coming in. I was asking Mama. Why did you fight her? Can I fight her? I know she just said that people for that kill me.
What is it again? My love, I have been searching for you everywhere. Thank God I have finally found you. Only though I have been...
Afoma, please stop. I've told you this severally. Just go. Stop searching for me. Go back to your girlfriend.
No, my love, don't say that. Only though you know I truly love you. And I'm sure you love me too.
Afoma, listen. I know you to be a faithful man. That girl loves you. Don't break her heart. Go back to her.
Which girl? I don't care about any girl. You're the one I care about. Don't break my heart. Oledo, remember what we said to each other?
Please.
Remember what we have? No.
Please.
Oledo, please. Don't break my heart. Oledo, you are one.
Please, I don't want you to break her heart.
Oledo, remember what we said to ourselves. Remember how we used to be. Oledo, come on, don't do this to me now. Oledo, hey. Oledo, don't leave me like this now. Hey. Lotana.
From one problem to the other. I'm beginning a messy.
Obidike, you mean Oledo told you all this?
Yes, and she also told me about a piece of land that you sold.
Obidike, you have said enough already. Oledo can tell you whatever she likes. I don't care.
Did you say the piece of land belonging to my late brother or not? That's what I want to know.
That is none of your business. The dead do not own properties, but the living. I am alive, so I own those properties. Yes!
See, Udenna, my late brother, had 2 wives.
Mm-hmm.
His second wife, Eukarya, had a daughter. His property must be shared in 2 ways, including the money you make from
It's a lie!
Eh?
Pure lies. It will not happen. I feed Oledo in this house. I clothe her. When she's sick, I buy medicine for her. In case you have forgotten. With this legi, where's the gone? I know the meaning. I will not do what you have said.
Chugo.
Do
things the proper way. Why are you treating Oledo as if she's not part of this family?
She's a member of this family.
Of course.
And I'm feeding her, taking care of her. I will not do it. I will not give her a penny farthing from that money. And then when if you get me, you will not do anything. You will go and hit your head on that tree and die. I am the owner of this house. You can't do nothing. Go and tell them I said so.
You know, say I did not warn you.
Who am I begging you to warn me? Did I beg you to warn me? Onye Ibazu, Onye Arwana. Did I beg you to go and report me to them? Go with your 2 legs, report me. They will not do anything. Take me to, in fact, report me to a shrine. I am waiting for the invitation. Hey, don't go. Come and stay. In a quick, you want everybody to perish so that you inherit the land. Idiot. Because I did not give you the money. I will not give you.
I want to reserve my comment.
Hey, come and comment it. Idiot. Nonsense.
Mother, you know the truth in this matter. Why not go ahead and say it?
What truth are you talking about?
I knew Oledo before Lutana. She was my love before we lost contact. That Lutana brought her here does not mean anything. Mother, please. Tell him to stay away from Oledo. She's mine. And besides, he doesn't even love her.
You're a stupid boy. You're stupid for saying that. Who doesn't love her? Look at this idiot. Who doesn't love her?
Lutana, you're not part of this discussion.
Oh, you're doing all these things to buy Mama's favor. To buy her support, that's why you're doing this. You're very stupid.
My friend, who invited you to this discussion? Why can't you respect yourself for once? You're not even ashamed of yourself. Fighting your younger brother over a woman.
You shut up your mouth, you stupid fool. Who is fighting you over a woman? Stay away from that girl before I kill you. Look at this one.
Lutana, please. Please stop all this. You people should stop.
Mama, stop. What do you mean stop? Does anyone stop? Tell this your son to stop insulting me. What do you mean stop? Stop what? Aren't you aware that Oledo is mine? Are you not aware?
You're the one insulting yourself, Lutana. Yes, you're insulting yourself. Just look at you. Stay away from Oledo. Oledo is mine, and nothing is going to change about that.
Raising your voice.
Yes!
Raising your voice at me. Raising your voice at me.
Lutana, what is the meaning of this? Hey.
Lutana!
Hey?
You slapped me.
I'll slap you over and over again. Stay away from Oledo. I won't warn you again.
Mama! He slapped me! I swear to God! Lutana is dead in this house.
No! Hey! Don't do that! Hey! Every day fight! What? Hey! Okay.
Idiot! Stupid bugger! Come on, move!
Hey!
I can move! Mama, don't come close. Lutana, you have been daring me in this house.
Hey.
And today I'm not going to spare you.
Eh?
Oh, really? All right. Shoot.
Eh? No!
Shoot!
Shoot.
Mama, step aside!
Shoot both of us.
Mama, step aside!
You must shoot both of us together. Because we are family. He is your brother. Get down.
You think I'm joking?
Hey! Hey!
Get down on your knees down.
Get down on your knees. We were near. But put down that thing. Put it down. Put it down. Yes. Hey!
Are you ready to leave Oledo for me or not?
Lutana talk. Say yes. Just say yes. Okwebi. Eh? Yes.
Answer me.
He will. Okay. Lutana, can you say yes so peace can reign? Please. Say yes. Say yes. Yes. Say yes.
I am running out of patience.
Hey, Bikono.
Are you going to leave Oledo for me or not?
Yes.
Don't make me pull this trigger.
Listen. Since he doesn't want to say anything, can I please answer on his behalf? Already is yours! Yes. She's yours forever! Already is yours! Biko, yes! Yes! Already is yours! Yours are forever! Yours are forever! Say yes! Yes!
Say it loud!
Yes!
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be?
waiting for? Why are you looking at me like that?
Meaning what? Kabosi and Khan again.
Why are you hissing?
See question. Nonsense. Do I look like I care? Chako Maka. You think I care?
From one problem to the other. I'm beginning a messy.
I said, say it louder.
Hello, please. Lotta, say something now.
Louder, no.
Please.
Say it.
You know what? Shoot. Shoot. Shoot me. But I will not forfeit all of it for you.
What?
Just shoot.
Afunwa, he is your brother.
Mama,
you are taking this. No, you are taking this too far.
Afunwa, please listen to our mother for once. Because
no.
Listen to her. She's our mother, please.
What are you waiting for? You have the gun. Pull the trigger.
Please don't.
Pull it.
I'm not leaving here until we sort this out today or never.
Hey, yo, look at my brothers.
You're still talking. You have the gun. Pull the trigger.
It's okay now.
Biko.
If you dare me, just step forward.
Hey!
Just step forward and I will pull you down there. Step forward.
Mama, pull the trigger. Pull the trigger. I'm allowed this way. Pull the trigger.
You will not kill your brother.
It
will not happen. Because
pull the trigger.
Nobody's daring you, please.
Hey,
nobody's daring you.
We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. But here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. Hey, my brother, what could this be?
what is the meaning of this? You are not going anywhere. You mean to tell me you locked your brother in his room since last night? Now you want to leave him there and go out?
That idiot was insulting me yesterday. Did you say a word? Did you remind him that I'm his elder brother? No. And you? That foolish idiot was insulting me yesterday in your presence. Did you remind him that I'm his elder brother? No. Now you want me to open the door for him. I'll open it when I come back.
You are not going anywhere. Lotana, you are not going anywhere. I insist you must give me the key. I have to open the door for him. Can you see him?
Yes, brother Lotana. Why are you doing this? Why are you so heartless? Give mom the key, Afumu has been in there since last night. He's your kid brother. Know that. Please, give us the key.
I said, give me the key. Both of you are my children. There's no way I will let you harm each other. Give me the key.
I will open the door when I come back.
Never.
It will not happen. It will not happen.
You are going nowhere.
All right.
Bring the key.
Bring the key. Mister, you lock me there too.
I will open the door when I come back.
It will not happen. You have to bring out the key now. Else you are not going anywhere.
Yes. Kill us all. What is all this?
Or you lock all of us inside.
Better.
You said you don't want to take anything.
I don't want anything. I'm fine.
So how is your people doing?
They're fine.
Yeah.
Everyone is fine.
Okay.
Uncle, I came in respect of our last discussion. You said I should give you time that you can talk to Olido, but I haven't heard from you.
Yes, I discussed with her as I promised, but she said that she's not interested. Besides that, you need to reconcile with your brother first.
What is Olido talking about? What is there to reconcile with my brother? He's my little brother. I already placed him where he should be. What's her own business? She should focus on me. I'm the one who wants to marry her. Please, Uncle, I need you to make her see reasons with me. I love her. I want to marry her.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
sir.
Please, my car broke down there and I don't know if I can get some water. It's heated up.
Oh, some water?
Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. Eberechi. Ebere!
Yes, Papa?
Quickly get some water for him. What is wrong with your phone?
I should get water. Okay. Good afternoon.
Wants to call you. Get some water for his radiator. His car is somewhere there. Yeah.
Okay.
Water.
I'm coming.
Just a moment.
Thank you so much, sir.
It's alright. Quickly, Ebere!
Go to your car.
Okay, sir. Go to your car.
My car is parked there, so...
I can see it there. This car?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's alright. She will come with you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's alright. She's coming along.
So as we were saying...
You talked about love. That
I love her.
That is what I want to hear. I will talk to her about this. I like this one, love. I will talk to her about it.
Please.
Yes.
Apple, come back here. Apple, where are you? Apple, where are you? Apple, where are you? Apple, stop here! Stop here!
Did he tell you where he was working?
No, Mother. He didn't tell me. He has been in his room since you unlocked the place. Then what stops him from telling me where he was going to? Mother, from what I noticed now, your son might be up to something.
And what could that be?
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could we are fighting one another. What could this be? Oh, what could this be? We should be brothers.
Oledo, how long are we going to continue like this? You know I love you. I fell in love with you the very first time I set eyes on you. Yes, I probably didn't move. But that doesn't mean I don't love you. I was just waiting for the perfect time. You're unique. You're special, and that's why I cannot let go.
How about your brother? I mean, he knew me before you. Is he going to let go of me?
What business? I mean, who is my brother? Well, I mean, what is my brother? I'm talking about me. I'm talking about my little brother, my younger brother that I can tame. I already discussed this with your uncle and he understands.
My uncle cannot do anything to remedy the situation. The power is in your hand and that of your brother. You people should just forget about me and stop fighting each other.
Actually, the power is not in our hands. The power is in your own hand. Choose who you want. Choose me.
How did he know I'm here now? Hi!
My lord. What is this fool doing here? Who is your lord?
What's happening?
Who is your lord? Who is Allah? What is Allah? Who is Allah? Who are you here to see?
Now, so what's your problem?
What's your own problem? Don't you have one?
If I were you, I would return myself. This is not your house.
Okay, leave this place.
What is wrong with you?
Just stay away from here.
Don't dare me. Don't dare me because I will not spare you if you try to stop me.
Are you?
This is what you understand. She is mine. And nothing is going to change about that.
My uncle will not be happy.
Are you raising your voice at me? How people can go to this boy?
Baby, I need to see you.
Who is your baby?
Show him who the woman. Not this fool. Yeah.
Who is it?
Please, it's okay.
Rotanda.
No, don't do this, sir. No. Please,
Rotanda.
don't fight in my house. I don't want to. Stop it.
Where's Oledo now?
Is she not in her room?
She's not there, Mama, and there is no drop of water in this house.
Go and pull her out from the room and go and fetch water.
Mama, she's not there.
Go and pull her out. Come and go and fetch water.
Mama, she is not there, and me, I need to bathe.
What do you mean?
Mama, good morning.
It's a good morning. Good morning, kill you there. Where are you coming from?
I went to Ebere's house.
You're coming from Ebele's house early this morning. Instead of you to open your mouth and tell me that you went there to gossip me, you're telling me you want to see her. Mama, who is she that you go there to see her this early morning?
But that's a lie. I didn't go there to gossip.
Will you shut up? What's a lie? No, what is not true? Eh? What does you go to Uncle's place to do if not to gossip about our family?
Exactly!
Yes.
I used to. Mama! Wait,
What is this? What's going on here? Sorry. What's going on here? Why are you guys beating up? Sorry, my lord.
Leave me alone.
I'm not beating you.
What my baby? What happened?
I'm not sure.
You ship
Who touched her? I will unleash mayhem here today. Who touched my baby?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Who did what?
Who?
Please.
Baby.
I'm not. Can you just stop?
But will you respect yourself? What's your problem?
Will you not respect
What's wrong with you?
That they just beat her. Why are you pressing her? What's your problem?
I love you, baby.
Who do you love? Will you get out of here? I asked you to wash plate.
Lotana, you can't stop me.
My love.
Stop now. I'm not in love with
If I hear love,
just let me.
Lotana,
God. Please don't fight.
Are you pushing me? What are you pushing me? Are you alright? Hey, this one.
Lotana,
This one.
I will embarrass you now. I will embarrass
you. Can embarrass me.
Somebody will die in this house today. Today!
What is the meaning of this? Mother, I think they must have fought again. Outside? Have they no shame? Don't you know your sons? How could they fight outside? It's not possible. Hey!
Afowa.
Sobodewa. Seriously.
Help! Help must go in this house today! Help must go in this house today! I'll be here waiting for him. Let him go and come back. What is it? Waiting for who? What is the meaning of mother? Lotana is mad. He has made me mad and I will show him how a madman behaves.
Hey!
I'll be waiting for him.
Afunwa, please, drop that machete. It is machete you are holding. Afunwa, please. Please, I am begging you, do not give the devil the chance. Please keep those cockases.
If I hear one more word from you now, I'll cut off your throat.
Hey!
Come and get inside. Are you mad? Get inside.
Afunwa.
Madam, let nobody talk to me again. Lotana, I'm waiting for you.
Afunwa, please.
Hey! Hey!
Because please, Afunwa.
I am ready to kill.
Hey,
get inside. I said get inside.
You will not kill this. You are holding machete. Afunwa, it's a machete you are holding. Please, keep it on the ground. Afunwa, please do not do this to your family. Please. You are dragging our name outside. Please. Drop the machete. Drop the machete. Because you don't want me. You will be fine. Let's go inside. Please, Afunwa. Afunwa, because they don't give them the chance. Please. Please drop the machete. We can settle it without it. Yes. Please. He's your brother. He's your brother. Please, Afunwa.
Chiduto, has Lotana called or returned your call?
For where? He hasn't called though.
This is serious. It's really getting out of hand. Why don't you pay him a surprise visit?
Honestly, Vicky, Lotana is not my problem. Not at all. My major concern is that rat. That village rat that is causing all this problem. I wish I will lay my hands on her. I promise her that her name will be forgotten on the face of the earth.
You still wish? You cannot plan that seated at home. Babe, you really need to make a move. Yes, so I promise you my support. I am right behind you. Anytime, any day.
means we should get someone that will get all the information about her.
Hold on. Ima. Hey, I've forgotten I have an appointment with Ima. Hold on. Let me pick this call. Hello, baby. Baby, please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'll be with you shortly. I will be with you shortly. Okay, thank you, baby. Alright, babe. Bye. Chiduto, I have to go now. Let me go and see Ima. Okay?
It's fine.
I'll come tomorrow. When I come, we'll continue from the plan.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Honestly, I don't know how to, say thank you to you for being there and then helping me out.
Oh, come on. It's nothing. I told you the other time. I am there for you. I am here. I am everywhere. Anytime, any day, okay? Come on. Alright, take good care of yourself, okay? I'll see you tomorrow.
And you too.
Bye.
Enjoy, okay? Say hi to him.
Alright.
Stop! Are you going to kill your brother? 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 Are you going to kill your brother?
What is all this?
Step aside! Step aside! You want to kill your brother! You want to kill his brother!
Why do you never be just?
Ready!
Look at what you're doing, distressing yourself. Look at you. You have no shame. Fighting because of a woman. When there are millions of girls out there, what is all this? Organic. They will not kill me. These children will not kill me.
Brother against brother. What could this be? We are fighting one another.
That dog is driving me crazy. She's driving me crazy. Mama, look, you have to deal with that girl. You have to deal with her as soon as she comes out from that house. Mama, you need to teach her a lesson she would never forget in her life.
That shouldn't be your problem. Let her come out first. Look, where is she?
I don't know. She's not in her room.
What? Did you check the backyard?
Did you check the backyard?
Mama, she's not in her room. I'm not even sure she slept here last night.
She slept here. She slept in this house. I saw her when she entered her room last night.
Maybe she has gone to your uncle again.
Mama, that stupid girl has not left this house. She has not left this house this morning.
Then where could she possibly be?
You, did you check the toilet?
Talk now.
You shut up. Why didn't you check the toilet?
Okay, Fugo. Mama sent you on an errand. You're asking me why didn't I check the toilet?
We check the toilet! Did you check the toilet? Lana,
Where is your brother?
Mother, please. Please. I want to be left alone. I just want to be left alone. Just leave me alone. I just want to be left alone. If there's anyone you need to talk to, is Afunwa. Go talk to him. Tell him not to come outside today. If he does, I'll kill him.
Lotana, how long are you going to continue like this with your brother?
As long as it takes.
How long are you going to keep malice with your only blood brother?
Mother, if there's anyone you need to talk to, it should be Afunwa. Afunwa has the guts to do what he did today. Enough is enough.
What can you do? What can you do?
Hey, God!
Are you alright?
Chimo!
Are you alright? What?
Stay where you are.
Chimo!
Mother, I am not afraid of you.
God, yeah! Who will help me out there? Who will help me out?
Just because I asked you to leave my girl for me.
Hey! Chimo!
Ballless man.
Hey!
Walking around with empty testicles. You can't put that.
Hey!
Can't put that.
Jesus!
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another.
What is this now? Please get out of my... Hey!
Where could she be? Where is she?
Hey. Mama, I told you. I said it. I know she did not sleep in this house. I said it. I know that girl.
If she did not sleep in this house, then where did she sleep?
If Oledo did not sleep in this house last night, that means she slept at your uncle's place. Have you seen it? How God fights my battle for me. That means it is to my favor. Because she must give me a good reason why she slept outside. Hey! If not, but
Mama, we need to be sure first.
Will you shut up? Mama is right. You need to be sure about what?
Calm down. Since you both have decided to fight yourselves, instead of fighting the common enemy, kill yourselves. But meanwhile, remember to inform me when she comes back.
See, I have the feeling that Oledo left this house when we were still sleeping.
Hey. Do you know you're so senseless? Had it been you have sense, you will know, in fact, you will observe the time she left this house. It's because you're so empty. Will you shut up? Shut up, I will slap you. Hey, respect yourself in this house.
What are you doing here?
Tina, I've come to see you. We need to talk.
See me? Huh? Why? Talk about what?
Talk about us. You know, I still want you back.
You still want me back?
Yes.
Why is it very hard for you to understand that I don't love you anymore? I am no longer interested. I am even surprised that you're here to say all this rubbish. Leave my house. I'm not interested.
You know, Tina, it's not over. You know, I noticed you started avoiding me the moment you start seeing another man. Come on, I still love you and I still want you back.
And me, I don't love you. Please excuse me and leave my house.
Tina.
Matala mo senye maka Obugini ne mesio
Mama. Mama, good afternoon.
No, good afternoon.
Ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Is Oledo around?
No, she went out.
You have no idea where she might be.
Am I her dog or her bodyguard that should be following her everywhere she goes?
Can I sit and wait for her?
If you want to sit and wait for her, go ahead and sit and wait for her.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit now. Sit, wait. Just wait for her.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Good day, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you, ma. Ma, please, I'm here to see Oledo. Can you help me call her?
Oledo?
Yes, ma.
Unfortunately, she's not around.
Right. Ma, where did she go to? I mean, tell me I can go and bring her back home.
No, I wouldn't know because I'm not her bodyguard.
Okay, fine. I would wait.
Want to continue the wait?
Yeah, let me wait for her.
Okay, continue the waiting gang. Go ahead. Oh, please.
What is keeping Ebere? Ebere left here for over 2 hours in search of drinking water. Yet nobody is talking anything about her. What is wrong with this girl? Where else could she have gone? Eh?
Uncle, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you see my daughter as you were coming? Ebere left to search for drinking water for over 2 hours now, and nobody's saying anything about her.
No, we did not see her. But uncle, did she go with Oledo?
Yes, uncle. We have been looking for Oledo. She didn't sleep in the house last night.
Oledo didn't come here either. My daughter left alone.
Uncle, are you trying to tell me that Oledo did not sleep in this house last night?
Yes, I'm telling you that Oledo did not come here last night. I'm talking about my daughter that has gone out in search of drinking water and she has not returned.
Uncle, we have to go.
Please, if you see her anyhow on the road. Tell her to hurry up. Babe, I don't know what is wrong with you, babe.
What is it? See, I don't trust that man. I don't.
Are you sure the jerrycan we saw on the way does not belong to Ebere?
Chioma, I knew it. So Ebere left her gallon on the road and entered into the bush with her boyfriend. Hi! I know that girl is very spoilt. I am sure.
How did you know?
Come, let us go. Let's go and search for that.
Wait. My phone is ringing. So we have to wait because your phone is ringing?
You don't have a choice. You have to wait. I'm your elder sister. He's Mama. Hello, Mama. Yes, we are on our way back. Now, okay, yes, no problem. We are coming. I think she's back. Let's go. Let's run.
What are you still doing here?
Well, I've been waiting for you to come so we can talk.
Why is it very hard for you to understand that I have nothing, absolutely nothing to say to you anymore? Can't you get it? Leave my house now. What is it, Seth? Is it my fault? It's not my fault. What? Leave my house, Oga.
Tina,
Oga, leave my house.
Tina, you know what? Shouting will not solve this problem. Just get a seat. Let's talk.
Hey, Tina, you don't suffer. You don't see something. Can you imagine a visitor offering me a seat in my own father's house? Who does that? Why is it done? Okay, should get out of my father's house.
Tina, I will not leave this place till you give me the answers I need. I will not leave this place. I'm serious.
Really? You will not leave here, right? Okay, don't worry. No, stay here. Let me call the security people. You know that.
You want to call the security people on?
Yes, now.
No problem. Just call them. I'm waiting. Call them.
I should call them?
Yes, just
I'm
call them.
dialing the number.
Yes, call them. I'm waiting. Call them.
Okay. You want us to talk, right?
Just sit down. Let's talk. We need to talk. This is very important.
It's okay. Let's go inside. Talk. Let's go inside.
Go inside.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm serious.
You're serious?
Yes, now. So we'll have a dialogue. Stand up now. Leave my father's house. What is it? I stay there.
I'm waiting here till you come out.
See those two men out there? Those two men. I want you to seduce them.
Hey, Mama. No. I don't understand that woman.
Why are you always stupid? Why is it that you don't have brain in your head? Have sense in this your disco. Have sense. You both know why they are here. Is only the more beautiful than you two? Eh? If you know anything you will do to make them fall over heels in love with you two, go and do it now. Eh? Go and do it now. This is the time you have it.
Mama is right.
Listen, this is the opportunity you two have. I have given you to go ahead. Go and take over. Because overtake is... Oh, why are you two stupid? Is it the time for you two to fight?
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you senseless? Are you stupid?
Because you're stupid in your head. Huh? This opportunity you two have. Go and overtake Oledo. Because overtaking is allowed. Shake yourself. Anything you need to do so that those men will fall yakata and carry you home for keeps.
Mama, hey, Mama, I'm name of the was
you more than my fan.
Hey, Mama, you too much. Don't worry. We will go there and arrange it. Mama, check your daughter's house
you
now.
Talking like my daughters.
Mama. Mama,
don't look at your sister like that. This is the time to work together in synergy. Understand yourselves, work in unity so that we have one goal. I don't want you to come and stay here. Canal.
Okay, Mama, check me out. Go to my skates.
So that's called the
keep
no one will see this and will not follow you home.
They will not follow.
Yes.
Who will follow you like this? Who will follow you? Look at
you. Go.
Excuse me, please. Yes. How are you?
I'm good. I'm here for you, my love.
Huh? Your love? Ha. No. Listen, Look, I will give you anything just to tell me where I can find Oledo.
How are you?
Fine.
Please, can you tell me where I can find Oledo?
Forget about Oledo. I'm here for you, my love. Don't you like what you're saying? See, check. Don't you like it?
Don't worry, I'll tell you.
I don't understand. Why are you doing like this? Are you alright?
Let's go. You can tell me where I can find her. Anything you want, I'll give you.
Anything I want.
Anything.
Let's go.
You're doing... Tell me where I can find Oledo. I'll give you 100,000. I didn't come here to laugh.
Can you just forget about Oledo? Look at me. I have everything. A man on it from my woman. Look at, I have everything.
Can you just comport yourself and take 100,000 and be meaningful to yourself? Huh? Tell me where I can find Oledo. Stop. Be still, right? You're acting like you have a problem. Are you normal?
It's because I love you. I'm in love with you.
I don't want abnormal love. Can I give you 100,000? You keep your abnormal love. Tell me where I can find Oledo. Okay, I'll make you 200. Why are you doing that? Do you have a problem?
No.
Why are you doing You love who? Respect yourself. Don't use that word again. Don't use it again. How can I see Oledo? You know what love is all about. Look at you, small girl. Arrange yourself well. Where is Oledo?
Look. Forget this thing you're doing. It will not work. Look, I will give you 150,000 naira if you can tell me where to find Oledo.
Why are you so desperate about Oledo? Is she prettier than I am?
No. Listen, you're very pretty. No doubt about that. But I want to know where I can find Oledo. It's very important.
If it is Oledo that you're looking for, then go look for her yourself. Don't stress me.
What is wrong with everybody? I am suspecting Lotana. I think he knows where Oledo is and he's pretending not to know.
Mama, tell those men not to show their ugly faces here again. No, they should not come here.
Mama, you need to see the embarrassment. You need to see the way that man pushed me out.
Why did you both give up so easily? When you should have tried and kept trying.
Hey.
Do you know that man offered me 150,000 to tell him the whereabouts of Oledo?
And the other one offered me 100,000. But I rejected it.
I rejected it.
My problem is not the money you rejected. It's the opportunity you both missed. Good opportunity. Eh? Don't you know that good opportunities come but once? Me say na korom tu. Na koka nde buwarishi. Jala. Small seducing. If I were a young girl, you would have seen what I would have done.
Ma, you need to see the way I seduce.
Get away!
Hey. What is even wrong with Mama? Eh? I wish she was the one they disgraced. What kind of mother is this?
I made a mistake. I would have accepted that money. That way nobody lose.
Are you a thief? Eh? Ibunyoshi. How will you accept the money? Do you know where Oledo is?
That is it. And I will give him a wrong direction. When he goes there, he will not see Oledo. By that time, the money is already in my pockets.
And they will come and arrest you now. Yeah, I told you don't have sense.
Where did you write your agreement?
Can't tell that nonsense. Listen, I know your plots, okay? Lotanda, tell me where you hid Oledo.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Where did you hide her?
Have you lost your senses? Do you realize you're talking to your elder brother?
Listen, I don't care whether I have lost it or not. You are hiding the love of my life, and you are going to provide her. Oh, you think I don't know? You're just here pretending that you're equally looking for her.
I think there is something fishy here. You see, with the way you're opening your eyes and ranting, something tells me that you are responsible for her disappearance.
Hey, listen. I give you 24 hours to provide my love. Else you will face my wrath. Lotanda.
What is it?
We shall see!
Afunwa.
Lotanda. If he continues like this, he will leave me no other option than to kill him. I'm not joking about that.
Lotanda, what is the problem? Same girl? And where have you been?
In fact, Mother, I do not want to have this discussion. Excuse me.
Hey! So good,
To ask you why you are harboring Oledo. Why are you harboring her?
Who is harboring Oledo in his house? When your two daughters came in the morning, didn't I tell them that I'm not harboring Oledo in my house? Did I see Oledo in my house?
So if Oledo is not in your house, then where could she be?
Such question. I said, why are you asking me such question? For your information, my daughter left in my house this morning to fetch this water. And yet I discovered this gallon abandoned on the road. Eh? I have not set my eyes on her.
Then she's like father, like daughter. What? Like daughter, like father. Yes. So then why can't you honorably tell me that your daughter Ebere went out with Oledo? Is it a bad thing to say?
You get out of my way.
Me get
Just
out.
get out of my way.
Me get out. I'm okay, get out.
Yeah,
am I your mate?
Oh, you have come this far.
Yes.
You come this far.
What will you do?
Don't
See,
worry.
that's your house. I will come again.
Let me drop this jerrycan.
I will come again. You will
Let me drop Oledo. Okay, from one. Okay, from one. That's who you are.
You be idiot. Nonsense.
I will meet you.
Like father, like daughter. How can you talk her to be walking up and pio?
Babe, this one no be bobo juice. I was actually there until Lotana left. The girl we're talking about is nowhere to be found. As I'm talking to you right now, nobody knows her whereabouts. Nobody knows where she is.
Nobody knows where she is. Meaning, she's missing.
That's the story. She's missing.
I don't believe that. I don't believe that. Eh? I feel this is a setup for them to keep her away. Yes, that's what I feel. It's a ploy. The family knows her whereabouts. My instinct does not lie to me.
It's not a ploy. I was actually there and I witnessed everything.
Juto, what do you think?
What I think is, the family is up to something. Yes, they are trying to keep her away for her to be safe. But that will never happen. Emma, please, you need to keep your eyes on that family. Because I know they are up to something. All these are charade, and I can bet you to that. Yes, I will give you more money. Any amount you want. I want that girl. I want her.
Emma,
Baby.
You heard her. She will give you more money.
Yes. Please, the payment won't be a problem, I promise.
Just do the needful.
Baby, you know, when it comes to money, my ears are wide open. And I'll do anything for money.
Oh, my darling.
Work continues.
I love you so much.
With me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I have to leave now. You know, my mom will soon be worried.
It's okay.
I didn't sleep at home last night.
It's okay.
All right, baby.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Baby, come over here.
Darling. Oh my word, I'm so proud of you. Let's go, let's go.
Chiki, who am I seeing? Oh my God! Sis. Olido, is this you?
Yes, so look at how beautiful you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, you're the visitor Mama was talking about over the phone?
Yes, I told Mama not to tell you I'm the one. I wanted to surprise.
Good to see you. Where is Mama?
She's inside sleeping.
Come.
See how beautiful you're looking.
Like this? Thank you, Sissy.
Hey,
oh my God.
You.
Good to see you. It's been like ages.
Hey.
Please come inside.
You're looking good though.
Thanks.
Where on earth could Oledo be? Our people claim that they don't know her whereabouts. But I think I should visit her uncle. Maybe he will tell me where she is.
Remember, 24 hours, and I'm already counting down. Make no mistake about it.
I wish I know where she is. Promise you one thing. You will never set eyes on her again.
Oh, don't try to deny knowing where she is. I know you hid her, but I will not take it from you.
Keep flaunting your foolishness.
I am patiently waiting for your 24 hours to elapse.
Foolishness.
You heard me.
I see. You underestimate me, huh?
We shall see. Bring it on, little brother.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? A brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we have?
Mama told me about the problem you're having with your fiancé. I'm really sorry about that.
Yeah, that's true. You know, he left me for another woman. It hasn't been easy.
I understand. I pray he realizes his mistake and come back to you.
It is well. I just hope for the best. Honestly, it hasn't been easy because I love him so much.
It's okay.
Anyway, let's not go there. So, about you, this one you just came all of a sudden. What happened? You haven't visited us in a long time.
Nothing really happened. I decided to come and see you and Mama.
I will not buy that. Yes.
You don't believe me?
No, because I know since the death of your parents, you haven't come to see us or visited us. So
I'm here now.
And you're sure everything is fine? Thank you so much for coming. As if you knew I need someone around.
I'm here. Don't worry, you'll be happy. Oh?
Thank you. No, I want to show you something. Yes, I want you to change your look. Come, resume. I said it. I know you are too nice.
Brother, please, oh.
Come on, fetch one, shut up.
Sorry, sir. I've told you all the truth, I know, please. Please, just allow me go home. I'm sure my father is looking for me. He has only me, oh, he will die, please. Just let me go. Please.
I have ear problem. Can you come again?
Say something.
I said, just repeat what you said. I have ear problem.
I see my father.
Oh, okay. You want to go?
Is looking, yes.
Ooh, you want to go and meet your father?
Yes.
Okay. You want to leave?
Yes.
You want to go and see your father?
Yes.
Your story is touching. Very touching. So how do we do it now?
Just let me go.
Okay, you want to go? Okay. Hey, your story is touching. Your story is touching. But we can help you. We can let you go. You are the one keeping yourself here.
No.
Do you know that? Do you know that you can make yourself leave?
Yes.
We can let you go. But let's do it this way. Tell us the whereabouts of Oledo. Tell us where she is. Then we'll let you go. Won't we let her go?
We'll let her go.
Brother.
Come, say something.
See, I swear, brother, see, I swear with everything. If I know, I don't. Why would I want to die for nothing? If I know, I would tell you. Oh, please now.
Hey, stop crying. You're a beautiful girl. Beautiful girls don't cry. And I hate seeing people cry. The last girl I cried, I killed her.
I'm not crying.
Hey, so stop crying. Stop
Yes,
crying.
sir.
Stop, don't cry again. Don't cry again. Look me very well.
Yes, sir.
Look at him.
Yes, sir.
Look at this one.
Yeah, yes, brother.
Do we look like AY?
AY.
Have you watched our skit? We don't do comedy. We are not comedians. If you don't tell us where Oledo is, you will remain here.
Hey, brother, please, nah.
Focus!
If I know, I will tell you. Please, I am begging you.
You have 3 days to tell us the whereabouts of Oledo.
Oh.
Now listen. Do you know what we do for a living? We kill for a living.
Okay.
And once we kill, we don't even remember. We don't think about it. We don't have conscience.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
We are conscience phobia.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You see, 3 days.
Mom, please, I beg you. I don't know. Please don't kill me. Oh, I don't know.
Well.
Yes, sir.
Keep your face well, make your picture fine.
Yes, sir.
Keep your face well.
Yes,
make
sir.
your picture fine.
Yes, sir.
Smile. Relax. Pause. Observations. Dagger.
Boss.
Silencer.
Yes, boss.
I don't want to hear a story. So, 3 days. Think about it.
Come on, sit down well.
Brother, I beg.
Come on, sit down.
You are waiting my boss tell you. 3 days.
Sorry.
If you refuse to tell us Oledo's whereabouts, I will tell you say they need to travel for P-Wake by 9 p.m.
Hey!
Sorry, sir. Brother, I beg.
I'm just returning from the hospital where I went to see my friend I just put to bed.
Oh, okay. Hope she's fine.
She's fine.
Okay.
She do though. What I saw when I was leaving the hospital marveled me.
Marveled you? How? What did you see?
I saw Lutana on a stretcher when I was leaving the hospital.
Jesus! You did what?
I saw Lutana on the stretcher.
My Lutana! Oh, what happened to him? What happened? What happened?
Just calm down. He was shot by unknown gunmen.
Hey!
Put yourself together, calm down.
Hope is fine. Hope Lutana is not dead. Tell me he's not dead. Tell me he's not dead.
Calm, just put yourself together.
Tell me he's not dead. What happened to him?
Wait. When I left the hospital, he was in a critical condition. But I don't know if he's still alive or dead.
Hey! What's the name of the hospital? I'm going there.
No. You can't go there now.
Tell me the name of the hospital.
You can't go there now. Even if you do, you won't see him because when I was leaving the hospital, he was still at the theater.
No problem. I'll wait behind. Let me get my handbag.
No. Calm down now.
No, let me get my handbag. I have to leave.
Calm down, please. Calm down.
No, I can't take
calm
this.
Down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. I can't Lutana be.
Please, now. Come on. You can't go there like that. You can't. You won't even see him if you go there. Control yourself.
No.
Calm down.
Should be proud between us. But here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another.
Oh my God. What is going on? The phone number of this young man who promised me to report this matter to the police is it's switched off even. What am I going to do? Eh? This young man promised to report this matter to the police. Eh? He advised me that this thing is very important to report it to the police. Yet his number is not going through. And I don't even have a dime. Eh? What am I going to do? Ebere! Eh? Chai! Yes. Ebere! Ebere! Oh! Ebere! 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 Huh? What? Ebere! Hey! Ebere! 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 Ebere!
Oh, sis, how is he?
My dear, he's fine. Thank God. I'm just happy that the bullet did not pass through his heart.
Thank God.
Sisi, please come and assist me. I need to hurry up and get some things to the hospital.
All right, all right.
Come.
Hey.
I spoke to the mom last night. So...
What did she say?
She was just saying that I should come over to the house.
Go over now. Go and see her.
I will do no such thing. I won't do that. That's like bringing down myself. He should be the one inviting me, not the other way around. Please, I'm ashamed of myself.
You don't have to be. See, let me tell you, you're my sister. I love you so much. I will advise you. Don't allow ego or pride to ruin this thing. The mother is inviting you. The mother. You don't even know why the mother is calling you. Let's go. See, I'll go with you. I'll be by your side. Oh, don't feel like that.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. You know men now. Oh, you can't pay your bride price by yourself. I won't deceive you.
If you say so, sis. Yeah, that reminds me. I got you something last night, but due to state of my mind, I couldn't give it to you. I'm coming.
She's such a good woman. God, please bless her.
What is it? Here we go.
Phone.
Yes.
Thank you so much. My God, in fact, God will bless you for me. Amen. You will not slack. You will shine like the morning star. You see that your boyfriend? He's your own.
Amen.
He's your own.
Amen.
He's your own.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So now you have a phone. You're now a big girl, so you can call me and tell me I want this, I want that, I want that.
No, mother. What kind of question is that? I don't understand. What kind of question is that now? Yes. I don't get it.
How would you understand? How would you understand? Afonwa, how could you do such a thing to your own blood? You threatened to deal with your brother within 24 hours. Before the end of 24 hours, he was nearly assassinated.
So that makes me a suspect. Is it?
Huh. Oh, you don't know. You don't know. You are lucky that he survived it. You are so heartless and wicked. Your own blood. Your own brother.
Mother, I will not have you accuse me of something I did not do.
Wallace, shut up.
Mother, it's unacceptable.
I said shut up your mouth. Just because of a woman. How can you deny it? How can you deny of not sending assassins to your own brother? Just because of a woman.
Mother, I know why you're saying all this thing. You hate me. I've always known it. But no problem. It's fine. No problem.
Just listen to yourself. Your own mother hates you. How does it sound to your ears? Now answer me this question. If you are innocent as you claimed, what stops you from visiting your brother at the hospital? Just tell me, what stops you?
Mother, I don't know. But it's not possible. There is no way I would send assassin after my brother. It's not possible.
I see. There is no problem. I will come to it. Just wait for me. Let me come back. You will see.
Oh, I will wait, Mother. I will wait. He is here to tell me where he hid my Oledo. Olam! He think I don't know his ploys and tricks, Abi? I'll be here waiting for him.
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could be?
I'm good. I think I should be going now.
So what about the money you promised me?
Come tomorrow.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
In my own house! Wait, what is the meaning of this? Eh? What is going on here?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, Abo. What are you doing? What is this thing doing in my house?
Mama, he's my friend. His name is Amechi.
Yes.
Amechi kill you.
Amechi.
And kill your generation. So you now have the effrontery to bring a man. Man, I brought man. You bring men into my house. Obru here.
Mama, it's not men.
No,
Mama, I don't used to bring men. No, it's not men. It's just him. I don't used to.
Until they are 100. That is when he becomes man.
Mama, he's just my friend.
Biauga? Or mechanic? Or farmer? Or schoolboy? Leave. Nando. Just leave now before I lose my head. Leave.
Okay. Baby. I'll see you later.
It's the baby. It's the baby. It's the baby. What's the baby? What's the baby? What's the baby? Baby. Whoa. Baby. Oh, you get one. I want baby Nego. Baby want for that like I am you. Instead of to bring your husband. Half of Corobia.
From one problem to the other.
Good afternoon.
I heard about your brother, and I am here to see him. How is he?
If you're here for my brother, why don't you go straight to the hospital?
Afunwa, the last time I checked, we are not quarreling. Anyways, I am not only here because of your brother. I am also here for us to talk. It's been a while now, and you stopped picking my calls.
Tina, I have explained things to you severally, but you just don't want to get it. I've made it clear to you. Things can no longer work between us. Before we started, I told you about Oledo and how I lost her contact. Now that I've found her, there's absolutely nothing I can do.
Oh, really? Tell me, what then happens to me?
Well, you don't expect me to answer that question, because I'm sure you know the answer.
Afunwa, I don't know anything. The only thing I know is that you made a promise to me and you are going to fulfill it, whether you like it or not. I don't care what you think about Oledo or whatsoever her name is. All I know is that you promised me marriage and you are going to marry me, whether you like it or not.
Nonsense. Let me see your leg here again. I must marry you. So marriage is now by fire by force. Well, I made the promise and I can as well withdraw it. By the way, who even opened the gate for her? Huh? Where's that stupid faggot? Udoka! Where's the idiot? Where's that sick bastard? Udoka! I know you're sleeping by this time of the day. Idiot!
Baga! Oh no, she wine! Oh no, she! Mama, what have I done to you and your sister? Why can't you forgive me peace in my own house? Every day is one man, one electric. Now, Mama, touch me again, I will kill you.
Mama, I'm sorry.
You are sorry? That is what you say every day. Yeah, the next day you bring bigger men. This one you brought, that looks like a rag. Is that what you want for yourself? Your sister is nowhere to be seen. What is wrong with you two? When you should have been in your own husband's house raising your children. Yeah, and I go no va. Are you mad? Turn your father's house into a chalet. Are you mad? Can't you stay without men? Men are half men. Idiot. That man should have been here. Can't control his manhood. Go off and get on a biati. That's the kind of man we brought into the house. That thing. Hey! 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 Go inside.
I am inside. Mama, I'm inside already. Ah, Mama, inside.
Hey! Oh!
What kind of children did I have?
Hey! Hey! Come. Jesus!
He shot me too. This is strange. Why am I dreaming about Lana? Maybe because I thought about him last night. Hope he's fine wherever he is. I think I should go back to him. I'm beginning to love him. Ah, God. This is going to be difficult.
You're back. Welcome.
Mama was right.
He didn't regard me. And all my efforts while he was still at the hospital. I overheard him speaking with his mother. And he was just asking about the other woman.
See, listen. I don't want you to tell Mama. Inugo, don't let Mama know about this. She's going to be mad at you. Okay, notwithstanding, I still have the belief that he will come back to you.
It's not possible.
Sis, I don't know how it's going to happen, but it will happen. Inugo,
I don't believe so.
Don't cry. You're a strong girl. Why are you crying?
With what I saw today, sis, I don't think he will ever be mine.
He is yours and he will forever be yours. I don't want Mama to. Mama is inside. Let's go to your room. Packaging.
Move it. Move. Move. You don't move now. Lotana! Move. You are so going to regret this. I promise you. I'll move. No problem. Hold it.
Take it easy with him. Please.
What?
Eh?
What?
Let them leave him.
Let them leave who?
He is your brother.
He's a kidnapper.
This is wickedness. It's your blood. This is wickedness. It is your blood. Why do you do this? This is wickedness. Mercy. Lotana. Have a change of life. Lotana, why are you like this? Why are you this heartless? He is your blood, oh. He is your blood. The family issue can always settle this. I know I said we should involve the police, but I never wanted it this way. What kind of thing is this? You wanted to involve the police. Have you forgotten that now? And this is what I have been explaining to him. He refused to listen to me. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? That is the question that does not have an answer for now. I don't have an answer to it. We have to locate that police station. No, we have to. My brother cannot be in there. We have to. What kind of thing is this?
Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother, what could this be? What could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? We are fighting one another. What could this be? We should be brothers. No more fighting. No woman can come in between us. But here we are, killing one another. With all our strength, we hurting one another. Let us stop this madness before it consumes us. My brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. You recognize me?
Yes, I recognize you. You're the other day here.
Yes. Oh, okay. Please, you have an idea where I can find Olido? I've been looking for her.
Where have you been? They've been looking for you everywhere.
Ike, please, I want you to do me a favor. Biko, don't tell anyone you saw me.
Huh?
Yes.
How will I? But okay, I will. But your people have been looking for you.
Ike, Biko, Nuna. Okay, see, you did not see me. I did not see you. You go. Agreed. Biko, Nuna. But Biko, no. Biko.
Okay.
No, Obama. Biko.
Oh, okay, no problem. I need to know where she's going to. Okay, when did I see her? Hey, so this is where she has been hiding. At her maternal home. And everybody now is in the village looking for her. Now, she's begging me not to tell anybody. Okay. So now, this is where you are.
What is it? Why are you eating? You're not talking.
I don't know her whereabouts. I don't know where she is. I'm just going to the farm.
I know, my mind tells me you know where she is. Help me, I've been looking for her.
Why do you see me as if I'm lying? Eh? If I know her whereabouts, I will let you know. I don't know where she is. Biko.
How about I give you 100,000?
Eh?
Yeah, 100,000. 100,000 to tell me where she is.
Okay, so I will tell you where she is.
You know what? Just 1 second.
I don't. Mama kwa mimi nako. Ha, na mama kwa nako biko.
Alright, so it's not audio. A minute. Eh? Yeah. 100,000. Just tell me where I can find her.
No, I know where she is now. No, I'll tell you.
You do?
Yes, I'll tell you where she is. No, I know. Let me go.
No, you're not talking with the cutlass.
Oh, yes. Yeah, okay,
Oledo, listen to me. I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake that I made. Yes. He has to be the one to prove that he loves you by looking for you. How will I do that? Yes, it's very simple. He should keep searching until he finds you. That way, he proves himself. Yes. What are you thinking about? Nothing. It's just that he would never find me no matter how hard he tries. Then it's fine. Forget about him. He's not meant for you. Because if he is and he loves you, he will find you. Okay? Just forget about him and do what you're doing. I'm hungry. Sorry. Sorry. It's fine. Hi. What do I do now? I know he must be searching for me. What if he gives up after trying and couldn't get me? I love him. What have I done to prove that? Hi. This relationship no balance at all. What do I do? Should I go to him? Or should just sit here and do nothing?
He's trying to set me up.
I thought I heard someone's voice. And a sound of car. Maybe not here, Sha.
I have really done my best trying to locate Oledo. I wanted to help her out of her condition. But it seems she doesn't want it. I have to go back to duty. She was there for me all through my stay at the hospital. I think she is the one meant for me. Oh God, help me.
Lotanna, when are you going to the police station to bail your brother? I'm asking you.
Mother, I'm not just going to bail my brother from the police station. I also want to make peace with him. First thing tomorrow, I'll go to the police station with my lawyer to bail him.
Can you just be serious for once? I'm not joking.
Mother! Look at me. Does it look like I am joking? First thing tomorrow, I'll go to the police station with my lawyer. And I'll bring back my brother. I'm sorry.
Thank you, my son. Thank you. God will bless you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for all the pains I've caused you. I'm terribly sorry, brother.
It's all right.
I'm glad you're back. I'm happy to see you. It shows you are a man of integrity.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
We should all go inside.
Yeah.
Look at you. You have been in this condition for the past 2 days. I've asked you to go to the doctor and you refused. Because you are afraid of the kind of disease you would have contracted due to your present lifestyle. Look at what you have reduced yourself to. Am I the one coughing? Where is your sister? It's 3 days now she left this house. No one knows her whereabouts. Mom, ifuru egwu agbasia ya egwu ngidi egwu abịa agbasia ya ọ na-anụ ukwu. I've lived my life. The ball now is your court to play well. Oroma ịgbata ball ọfụma ịlacha oroma. See your life. Am I the one coughing? Your kidney is coming out. Your liver is coming out. Continue. When you're done, I'm inside. No problem.
Tina's number has been switched off. I've been trying to call her over the phone to inform her about our visit.
Well, I don't think you should do that. It is better we catch them unawares. What do you think?
You think that's the best?
Well, I think that's the best. Chiduta called me this evening. I did not pick. I don't want her to see the surprise coming. You know, tomorrow we'll just boom. I think that will work.
Well, if you say so, I trust your judgment.
Mm-hmm.
Hey!
I shoot. Please. Please.
Quiet. Get your feet.
I'm offing. Please don't shoot.
Hey, get off. Up. This way. Please don't shoot. Please. Quiet.
Hey, I will miss you, Duto. I'll miss you.
Call us when you get to the city.
I will, Mama.
Don't forget.
I will. Okay. I know Oledo here will take good care of you. Yes, don't worry, I'll come and see you.
My own is that I will come to the city and visit you.
Of course. Nobody's dragging it with you. Nobody. I want you to come to the city and enjoy with me.
I will miss you, Sha. All this small money you're dashing me.
Don't worry, I'll open an account for you. Oledo, that's my fiancé and his younger brother.
Oledo! Are they here to take you to the city?
I don't know what they're here for.
Something is wrong. So this is the man you've been talking to me about?
Yes, he's the one.
There's a problem?
Ola, no, there is no problem.
Ola, wait!
Mama, what is going on? How does she know Lutana and Afoma?
I should be asking you.
Mama, let it not be what I'm thinking about. Let it better not be what I'm thinking.
Hey!
Where is she? Hey! You see what you've caused again? Huh?
Are you pushing me?
Yes! You made her run!
If you touch me again, I'll break your head.
You made her run!
I'll break your head. I made who run?
She was just here!
She was just where?
Where is she?
You're asking me. You, where is she? Oledo!
How come?
Oledo!
Wrong way. I'm sure she took that way. Ola!
Biko. My lovely sister Biko. I beg you in the name of God. I didn't know he's the same person you were telling me about. I've known him for some time now. He was even fighting with his brother because of me. That was why I ran away.
So, it's you! It's been you all this while, Oledo! Hi!
Why? You are the village girl that's been causing me so much pain. So you have been the one causing all these problems, Oledo. I should have known. I should have known that you were the snake. You are the snake. That is what you are.
No, Duta. I'm not a snake. You never mentioned his name. I didn't know he's the same man you were telling me about. Ezioku, Mama, please.
You didn't know? How would you know? I ask you, how would you know? All you do is to put up a charade, pretending to be the nice person. Is that what you do? Oh. That is what you've been doing. Oledo, I should have known that you have been the person behind all this.
I'm sorry.
This is what you have to say, Oledo. 3 years. 3 years of hard work. 3 years of my relationship, my love, everything. And you stand here to tell me that you don't know. You know what is good for you? I want you to leave my father's house now, and I don't ever want to see you again in my life. Get out!
Mama Biko.
How do they know that you were here?
Mama, I don't know. Maybe they came to see Duto before they now saw me here.
Would you close your mouth? I said get out! Oledo, if I ever see you anywhere close to my father's house, I will make sure you are dead.
Chi?
Oledo, you're very lucky you're my cousin. I would have killed, I would have strangled you by now. Let me alone, Mama. Don't tell me anything. Don't you even try to tell me anything.
Chichi, please. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my! Sobu, I want them to stay away from me. Please, no. I appreciate everything you've done for me. God knows I'm innocent. Please, I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You know I love you so much. I'm sorry. I cannot hurt you intentionally. I can't joke more.
I'm sorry. I'm leaving now. I did not bring anything when I was coming here. I don't want to take anything. But before I leave, I would also want to beg you for one thing. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I love you, Chidioto. I love you because you're my sister. I love you because you're so good to me. You're worthy of emulation. I love you so much. I appreciate everything you've done for me. And I'm never going to take them for granted. But I want to tell you one thing. It was not intentional. I never knew he was the same man you were telling me about all this while. Because I cannot hurt you. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I don't like seeing you like this, but I don't know. My prayer for you is that he will come back to you. He will love you. He will appreciate you and treat you right. I also want to make a promise. I will never, ever go close to him again. Oledo. Oledo, please.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
I should be the one saying that. Oh, I'm sorry too. I
love you so much. I'm sorry. I know it's not your fault. Please don't go. Don't go.
What's the problem?
I think he's here for you. No, I know he's here for you. No. I will leave you two to talk. No, you're not going anywhere. It's okay.
I'm sorry. Am I wrong here? I wish I could turn back the hands of time. Please. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I regret all my actions. I'm sorry.
You're sorry. Lotachuku, you are sorry. Who would have known that the same person you abandoned me for is none other but my cousin, my sister, my blood. Lutana, you stand here to say you're sorry. You made me a laughing stock in this village. You made people see me like nothing. You broke me. You broke me, Lutana. And you stand here to say you're sorry.
I'm sorry.
Lutana, you're wicked. You're very, very stupid to think I will forgive you. I will never forgive you. And you know what is good for you? I beg in the name of God, please, leave my father's house. Leave.
Biko, you told my sister, I beg you in the name of God. He's sincerely sorry for all the pains he has caused you. Oh, I know that's why he's here. Please forgive him. Please, don't harden your heart. Biko, forgive him. Oh?
Gigi. Forgive him.
He's sorry. Please.
Find it in your heart to forgive me. I regret my actions, I swear.
Chiduto, please. Chiduto, you have been a very nice and caring lady. Please forgive my brother. He has realized his mistake and he truly misses you. Please forgive him. Make him whole again and take him back, please. Chiduto, I'm on my knees. Please take him back. Please
forgive him.
Same girl that has been causing problems between my kids.
Yes, she is.
Mother!
Good afternoon, ma. Good
afternoon. Mother, how are you?
I'm fine. Please, can someone tell me what is going on here?
Well, Mother, it's simple. Apu and I have decided to make peace. Oledo is truly for him. And so, I went back to the love of my life.
Wow.
Mother, he's telling the truth. Oledo is now my wife to be.
Just like she is my wife to be.
Wow, what a great combination. You too. Wow.
Come on.
Oh.
So,
thank you, ma.
No more cutlass.
Of course, brother. No more fighting.
No more ninja.
We now have our happily ever after.
Yes, we do.
Hola,
my sons. Come on.
Mother.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you. So, instead of standing here and expressing how happy we are, can we proceed inside for some celebration?
Yes. Of course, brother.
Yes. Okay.
Please, inside. No more ninja. No more ninja.
Inside.
No more cutlasses.
Oh God, I thank you. Yes. I thank you for reuniting my children, my family. Thank you, Jesus. But I told you.
Yes,
I told you that my God will fix it all, and it has happened.
And it has done it. Okay, thank you. Now let's go inside. Inside.
From one problem to the other, I'm beginning a messy. Make up one more, I'm beginning a messy more.